Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best multivitamin for kids available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Lil Critters Multivitamin for Kids. Parents can trust that kids are getting essential vitamins and minerals to support and maintain healthy growth and development. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure or prevent any disease. These gummies are made with naturally sourced cherry berry and citrus flavors, and have been awarded for their great taste. These gummies contain a powerful fusion of essential nutrients to help kids get what they need to grow up strong. At number 6 we have Smarty Pants Multivitamin for Kids. This Smarty Pants Kids formula is a multifunctional gummy multivitamin that contains more of the nutrients parents want in a delicious format that kids love. Each serving delivers a robust blend of vitamins and nutrients including omega-3 EPA and DHA essential fatty acids, vitamin D in the premium form, D3 for bone health, vitamin B12 in the premium form, methylcobalamin for immune health, folate in the premium form, methylfolate to help form red blood cells. At number 5 we have Mary Ruth Multivitamin for Kids. These strawberry, papaya and super punch vegan multivitamin gummies are formulated to give your child the vitamin boost they need. It comes with vitamin A, C, D3, a blend, B vitamins, iodine, zinc and more. You can feel confident that your child is getting nutrients and ingredients their body will benefit from. This blend includes B vitamins that aid in amino acid metabolism, blood cell production, DNA production, and regulating gene expression, circulatory health and supporting energy. At number 4 we have 1 A Day Multivitamin for Kids. 1 A Day Kids Trolls Multivitamin Gummies offer a wide variety of vitamins and minerals. This easy-to-chew gummy contains key nutrients specially selected for nutritional support for growing children. 1 A Day Kids Trolls Multivitamin Gummies come in a fun trolls-shaped multivitamin that contains vitamins of B6, B12, C, D and E, biotin, folic acid, zinc, pantothenic acid, and iodine. At number 3 we have Centris. It comes with more than 100% daily value of vitamins B6 and D3. These naturally flavored, great-tasting gummies support kids' muscle function. This Centrum Organic Kids Multi-Gummies helps support normal immune function with vitamin D and important antioxidants such as vitamin C and E. This Centrum Kids Organic Multi-Gummies are great-tasting kids multivitamin gummies specially crafted to provide 10 essential nutrients for brain health, muscle function and immune support. At number 2 we have Flintstones Multivitamin for Kids. This Flintstones multivitamins offer a wide range of nutrients in an easy-to-chew fruit-flavored tablet to support overall wellness and growing bodies of children. This complete chewables come in fun Flintstones character shapes. At number 1 we have Zarbee's Naturals Multivitamin for Kids. This children's multivitamins are tasty and easy to chew, making an ideal first gummy for healthy growth, development and a strong immune system. Specially formulated for ages 2 and up. These multivitamins are a great source of vitamins A, C, D3, E, B6, B12 and folic acid and total B complex. All in a naturally flavored, easy-to-chew gummy sweetened with honey. From vitamins that help support immune systems to cough syrups that soothe. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best multivitamin for kids for your need.